Good morning, fam. Just getting the day started. As you guys see, when I started off, I basically was getting my exercise in. I've been exercising usually 5 times a week. Right now I'm doing 4, Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Fridays, because my back's been bothering me a little bit, and also my knee, so I don't want to push it too much. Today we're basically going to be tackling this kitchen. It has a little dust and stuff going on. I want to get this counter cleaned off. You guys see we did the wall over there. We still have that wall to complete, but I just want to start the day, fresh and clean. So I just want to do a quick tidy up before work. I do work from home, so it is easier for me to do these things in the morning time. If you are a working mom and you work outside of your home, or just a busy mom with the kids and stuff like that, because that is work as well, you can do simple things, maybe putting up the dishes from the night before, washing dishes, picking up the clothes, or tidying up one area or one room. Sometimes even just throwing a load of clothes in the washing machine that morning to help you out through the day. So when you come home or you finish with the kids, everything's not piled up on you and you're not too busy. So that's what I'm going to do. Just do a quick tidy up to get the place a little bit refreshed for the day, so I can start my day on a good note. Mentally, I know that when I come off of work, I don't have to deal with that. So I just wanted to tackle that now. Again, if you're new to my channel, my name is Natasha. I'm a full-time working mom of 4, and on my channel, I bring you guys things on lifestyle, motherhood, and home, which include cleaning motivation, day-in-the-life type videos, organization. We're doing a lot of home projects starting now, so you'll be getting a lot of home stuff here as well. So if that's the type of content you like and you clicked on that video for a reason, I definitely would love for you guys to subscribe and stick around. For my new subs, I appreciate you guys. Thank you for joining our MyStyle family. My oldies, you guys know I love you. I appreciate you guys being here. I know sometimes you can't get on every video, but for the ones that you show up for, I do appreciate it, and I love you guys.
When I look at you like that, you lose it completely, losing track of space and time. I don't wanna go home looking for a reason to stay here all night. I wonder, do you feel it too? Magic between me and you, the way that you make me feel. You wonder if I feel the same, the blood's rushing through your veins. And then when I say your name, bet I'm everything you see, bet I'm everything you need. We're high on this feeling, don't wanna come down. wonder if I feel the same. The blood's rushing through your veins, and then when I say your name, bet I'm everything you see. Bet I'm everything you need. We're high on this feeling, don't wanna come down. Just don't wanna tell me, get into my eyes. I'm everything you need, need. You need. I'm everything you need. I'm everything you need. You need. I'm everything you need. I'm everything you need. You need. I'm everything you need. Bet I'm everything you see. Bet I'm everything you need. We're high on this feeling, don't wanna come down. Just don't wanna tell me, get into my eyes. I'm everything you see. Bet I'm everything you need. We're high on this feeling, don't wanna come down. Just don't wanna tell me, get into my eyes. I'm everything you need. You need. I'm everything you need. I'm everything you need. In my dreams we always fight, 'cause we never worked it out. It just kinda slipped through our hands. And I never really said that you hurt me, no, instead I just try to understand. It was so exhausting, so I lost it, had to make you stop. Didn't really feel like giving you the chance to make it up. You asked me what's the problem, to be honest, it was you. That's the truth. It really was such a bad plan, 'cause I really think you wanted me to stay. Everything you did finally pushed me away. Told everyone my secrets, though I begged for you to keep it to yourself. Thought that you could buy my love, but I don't want that at all. You know I don't care about that. It was so exhausting, so I lost it, had to make it stop. Didn't really feel like giving you the chance to make it up. You asked me what's the problem, to be honest, it was you. That's the truth. It really was such a bad plan, 'cause I really think you wanted me to stay. Everything you did finally pushed me away. Looking back, what a messed up time it was. Figured out how to leave, and I'm glad, because now I know how it goes. Looking back, what a messed up time it was. Figured out how to leave, and I'm glad, because now I know. It really was such a bad plan, 'cause I really think you wanted me to stay. Everything you did finally pushed me away.
So for me, guys, just doing these few little things in the morning time or throughout the day definitely sets the tones for my day. It helps me with not feeling overwhelmed or stressed out, especially if you are a single parent. Sometimes if you're a two household, it's still a lot for one person to handle, even two people, especially if you're a mom and you're wearing the bulk of the hat in your home. So definitely try, just doing a few things, whether it be washing a load of clothes, picking up, 15 minutes for the day, and before you start your big main clean of the house or however it goes, at least you already tackled certain areas of the house where you're not overwhelmed trying to get everything done at one time.
You say you don't wanna get in trouble, that you're doing fine cause you got me. I don't wanna break your little bubble, but you gotta wake up to reality. Cause I can see in your eyes, your head is full of dreams. Tears aren't proof of failure, you just gotta let them flow without judge. There's so many ways to be happy, you can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready, you just gotta trust the right. Don't have to be scary, you just gotta follow the light. You're able to be happy, you can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready, you don't have to be. I see you hesitating while you're waiting, like somebody's gonna give it to you. You gotta chase it, gotta believe it, you gotta go get it for yourself. Cause I can see in your eyes, your head is full of dreams. Tears aren't proof of failure, you just gotta let them flow without judge. There's so many ways to be happy, you can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready, you just gotta trust the right. Don't have to be scary, you just gotta follow the light. You're able to be happy, you can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready, you don't have to be. You don't have to be ready, you don't have to be. You are like me, and I'm like you. You are like me.
So this is the family room. Everything is clean. I'm actually watching Walking Dead. I paused it, so I had to just get a lot of dust and stuff off of there. I did vacuum this. Unfortunately, the phone stopped recording. I don't know why, but I did vacuum there. Just got this area here cleared up. Hasten told me last night don't put up his toys because he's been playing with that, so I just put them there. But in here, for the most part, is clean. These have to go in the wash. Like I said, in here got kind of dusty, but everything is looking better now. I'm just gonna wipe off this really quick. All the tools are there, and I'm gonna just wipe off the counters for now, and then that is it for me getting things set for the morning.
There's so many ways to be happy, you can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready, you just gotta trust the right. Don't have to be scary, you just gotta follow the light. You're able to be happy, you can do whatever you like. the light can't reach us. No one there to judge us. We can finally breathe out. Used to be afraid of water, but I'm safe now. When you're next to me, I'm always on the safe side. Somewhere deep down, I know you and me will survive. Though we're stuck in the deep end, I follow you down to the ocean. I'm making you drown in emotion. We should go underwater, take a look way deeper, way below the surface. We can finally breathe out. We should go underwater, where the light can't reach us. No one there to judge us. We can finally breathe out.
Alright guys, I'm finished. That's all I was able to get done. I did wipe off the table, but I didn't show it because it wasn't that bad. Just had a few crumbs on there. But basically just cleaned up these areas here. I will be putting my decorations up for spring, summer, just refreshing the kitchen. So a video will be coming out on that. But you guys can see that I got a lot done in that little bit of time. I'm getting my breakfast going because I got to get to work. That little bit of time that I was able to get some stuff done. I actually did a little bit more than I thought I would be able to. But everything is clean, tidy. These have to go on the wash. But other than that, I think that is a great start to the day.